Hi guys, I'm JRSL and this is the third coding video of Free Code Camp playlists. And if you like my channel, please subscribe it. It's JRSL, and if you like this video, please like it as well. So in this tutorial, which is the third tutorial, and I have told you guys I am only doing 5 tutorials in this playlist because you can carry on furthermore after these videos, because this is very easy and I'm going to teach you the easiest tricks you can do. So the third tutorial of the video is of the playlist is inform with the paragraph element. P elements are the preferred element for paragraph text on websites. P is short for paragraph. You can create a paragraph element like P opening tag, P tag, P closing tag. Create a P element below your H2 element and give it the text hello paragraph. Note: as a convention, all HTML tags are written in lowercase. For example, P opening tag and P closing tags. So this P opening tag and this P closing tag are written in lowercase letters, and these two are written in uppercase letters. So you can't put opening tags and closing tags in uppercase letters. You can only use opening tags and closing tags by lowercase letters. So what I have to do is I have to create a paragraph element like this: P opening tag, P tag, and P closing tag. So this is very easy. P opening tag and no space. P and the closing tag. Okay, let's run the test. Your P element should have the text hello paragraph. Oh, I forgot that. I thought it was a P tag. I had to use hello paragraph. So I'll just copy and paste it. But it's better to write it. Hello. Okay, that's all. Let's run test, and basic HTML and HTML5 7% complete. Okay, alrighty. We did the third video of the coding playlist, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Please subscribe to the channel if you like it, and please like this video if you like this video. I'm not forcing you. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.